Sabi sa inyo, dadami na yung IP-related playing cards eh. This is Ghost of Yote playing cards and license siya ni Sony. Buksan natin. So this deck was based on a recent release na video game by Sony PS5 and it's called Ghost of Yote. And yung main protagonist niya dito, it's a female. Name it's Atsu. So this is the diamonds. You have the clubs. You have the hearts. And ito yung spade. And all of these are based on the skins sa game mismo. For the jack, it was separated into two. First is yung mga protagonists. You have Ginji, the armorer, merchant yan. And the other is Enomoto. And then for the other half ng jacks, you have dragon. And you also have spider. Ito yung mga kalaban naman to, no? For the kings naman, lahat ng cards featuring the kings, kalaban or antagonist yan. It also has 4 custom aces. Ito yung clubs. You have the spades. You have the ace of diamonds. And yung sa heart naman, yung companion wolf niya. Numbered cards niya, it's semi-custom. Meaning yung pips niya is customized. And yung arrangement or layout niya is standard. You have 2 jokers. First is the map. And the other one is Atsu riding a horse. And for the back design, it's a one-way back. Yun lang.